Did you know loud snoring can be a sign of a serious health issue? Hi there, I'm Dr. Ng, your family doctor from our Pro Clinic. Did you know loud snoring can be a sign of a serious health issue? Snoring is a common condition that can disrupt your sleep. It happens when air can't flow easily through your nose or mouth. Mild or occasional snoring usually isn't a cause for concern, but loud jarring snore may indicate obstructive sleep apnea, or known as OSA. Let's understand how OSA works. When the muscles in our throat relax during sleep, the tissues close in and block the airway. This makes it harder to breathe, so your body wakes you up for a short moment to open it back up. This can happen hundreds of times a night, and this waking is so quick you don't even remember it. If you snore loudly or wake up gasping for air and other symptoms like fatigue or irritability, then you should not ignore it, because OSA can lead to serious health problems like high blood pressure, heart attack, and even stroke. Talk to your family doctor right away. We can help you to get the right treatment and get a good night's sleep again. If you struggle with hypertension problems, please consult your Pro Clinic family doctor or contact us at 019-569-3828. You can also schedule an appointment at ourproclinic.com.